So we're going to be doing some isometric projections. Okay, so isometric projections, and in this case we're using special grid paper for it, are going to be sticking with our object and construction line pattern. So construction lines, object lines. So construction, we're going to stick with the orange. Construction, we're going to stick with the black. And basically, all an isometric drawing is a drawing that projects at these 30-degree angles. So if I was to do a simple one, just a box, I'm coming down, coming back around, and I'm just following the lines where they line up. Go one direction, go another direction, and then here these would line up. If we're using construction lines, we can just extend beyond, and wherever they line up, they line up. And then this would all be extra that we'd erase. So this is kind of the basics of an isometric drawing. If we were to do something harder, the construction lines become more important. Like, for example, if we did an iso block that had a cutout in it, we might do one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, make a 6x6 on the side view. Do a 6x6 on the side, maybe. Something like that. And then maybe a 6x9 on the top, or the front. I can extend this up because it's just going to connect. So if I go a little beyond, that's fine. And I did. I just erase that, and then once again I can extend these out to wherever they crisscross, which is the nice thing about using construction lines. I could go in there and erase the extra. So if this is a box, I'd make a box, and then if I wanted to cut out a notch in here, I could. What I'd do is if I wanted to go up 2, I'd maybe make a construction line going this way as far as I needed to. Then I know it's 1, 2, 3 boxes up, so I could connect that up. 1, 2, 3 boxes up. And if I needed to bring it down 4 boxes, I could. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I could connect it up. And then for the whole middle section, it's kind of just bring your line down, bring your line over, and over. And this gives you what you end up with after you darken your shape in. So a nice quick example of 2 ways to do isometrics. You want to make sure you don't leave any of the extra lines, which would be unfortunate, but just to get the process down pat. Any other lines you would see in here that aren't darkened and in black would get erased. And I'll do a quick cut over to what this would look like if I hadn't. Okay, when you're done, it should be kind of closer to that. So I hope this was helpful in understanding how to create an isometric drawing.